good evening or good night, wherever you may be. My name is Fallon, and I wanted to do a cleaning video because I personally am a maximalist, if you can't tell by my room already. I love covering myself with things. I'm like a little crow or a dragon, either one you want. And I never see cleaning videos with maximalists. If you do, put them in the comments. I haven't seen them anywhere. All I see is minimalists. And they're not cozy. They're not my cup of tea. So, me and you, are gonna clean together. I also wrote down what I'm gonna do. I'm pretty sure I have ADHD. Not gonna lie. Probably a little bit of something else, but we're not gonna go into that. By the way, I will kind of look really stupid throughout this video because I'm not going to be doing self-care until the end, because if my room's a mess, I can't look. Let's get to it. So far we have been doing this for about, I think, 2 hours. And so far it's mostly just been cleaning a little spot, putting the things I don't know where to put in a different spot. But I've got the record player area situated. I got the dresser area situated. I have near my bed where the red lamp is situated. Most of it is situated. I just need to put clothes in certain areas, but I think we're going to go to a witch shop in a few. It'd be super cool. She has really super cool stuff, and she's super nice.
She's very sweet today. Aren't you, baby?
We got, oh, I'm so sorry. I have little bumps on me because my chronic urticaria decided to take a hit, so. But I'm gonna show you what we got, aka me and my mom got from the shop. I got this waffle and jam set because, my friend Judah, he always wears funky earrings, so I thought that would be a good gift. And then I got my friend Audrey a little pin because she always wears pins. I didn't know if she would like this, but I thought it would be cute, so I got it. I've been trying to get into tea more often. My cat's climbing something. I've been trying to get into tea, and if this doesn't work, if I don't like this, then I'm a goner. But this is herbal tea. It's not bagged. I think it's local. I think. I don't know. I'm gonna show you what my mom got. She wanted me to show you all. First, she got this giant thing of sage. It smells so good, but it's so big. That is not what she said. And then she got just some little pieces of sage, the average size. Beautiful. This one is cedar. I love cedar. Cedar smells so good. And then she got some dragon's blood soap. See what it looks like now. Like a creamy white, kind of. Pink. Like a pink. Oh, no, it's not. Ooh, smells good, actually. Aura healing soap. And then we got Florida water soap. Do I know what most of these are for? No. What are these called again, Mom?
Those are Cornelius or no, Carnelas. And wait.
Oh yeah, I never told you the bag of my tea. It's lavender and chamomile. I've heard it's kind of like sleepy. Could be good for skincare too. It smells so good. I love lavender. Like actual lavender smells so good. I can't deal with fake lavender. Or not really lavender. I don't know, I just need straight up lavender.
Okay. Carnelian.
And what's with it?
What do you mean?
The little balls. The ones that I said that looked like deer shit. Hawthorn berries. Carnelian and hawthorn berries. She gave me these. She also got these at the store. She has some too. That's what we got. And we got pizza after that. That was very nice. And went grocery shopping. Saw my ex. That was nice. They work there. Yeah. But now I'm just gonna go to bed because I just want to go to bed. And I don't know. I just want to, I'm doing laundry now. That's really it. I started laundry and I'm gonna go to bed, so. Good morning, beautiful world. I think it's about 10 now in the morning. I woke up, I think, around 8. And I have been just cleaning the whole morning and getting my sweaters dry. I hand washed them and they're still wet, kind of. So, yay. But for today, we're just gonna clean the art studio and then do the kitchen. And then we should be kind of done with cleaning. And then we're gonna reorganize the closet. And then clean myself up. Because I am so dirty. Let's light some candles. Let's just embrace the rainy day. Can you see it's raining outside? Oh my god, this is gorgeous. That's beautiful. I need to go outside and get some clothes. Because that is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. I'm really dreading cleaning the kitchen. I don't want to. Welcome to my closet. Oh, you know what I haven't even done yet? Put my clothes away. I was washing my clothes, never put them away. This is my closet. Has no light. Has no light. Blankets up there. Clothes down here. Also, I took a shower last night. That was beautiful. It was gorgeous. Gorgeous. What we're gonna be doing is just switching. I'm right-handed, so all of the clothes that I want to grab are on this side. So I have mostly like t-shirts over here, which I don't want to wear anymore. Since it's like 30 degrees outside, it's already starting to snow where I am. So we're gonna put the sweaters here and the t-shirts over here. Because I'm not gonna reach it. I'll stop when I reach the wall. That's how far I have to get. I'm not going that far. Wait. Don't mind everything. Everything's wrinkly. I was rushing. This is my chaperone t-shirt. I never have gotten anything with a person's face on it besides this woman. I really didn't want to film today. I genuinely didn't want to. Also, you want to know another thing I've noticed is ever since I've been filming myself, I've gotten more comfortable, first of all, but I mouth breathe. That pisses me. Also, I broke my tripod. I'm so good at everything. These are my beautiful sweaters. They're wool and alpaca fur. And I just washed them. I'm really scared I did the wrong thing. The other one's perfect. This one's a little small. These are my kids. Besides my cat. This is my other sweater. I know you're not supposed to hang sweaters up, but I genuinely don't care right now. Voila, it's done. Very excited. I'm a very warm person naturally, so I get very warm easily. Probably get close to the camera, huh? So you can hear me. I don't know what my necklace is doing. I don't know what either of them are doing. That's fine, I guess. Whatever works. But just know everything is clean and I'm happy with it. I am cozy. Everything is just really nice now. I'm probably going to work out after this, but if you want to find me anywhere else, these are my socials. I don't think I'm too active on them, especially TikTok, but I'm more active on Instagram. I hope you have a beautiful morning, evening, or night, wherever you may be, for legal reasons I don't want to know. Yeah. Have a nice day.